Hello, hi children, how are you doing? Hope you people are doing good. In my previous session, I have given brief introduction on a chapter areas related to circles. Please watch the video using link provided in the description. In today's session, let us start to solve exercise problems. Coming to the question, the radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. What's the question, children? There are two circles having radius 19 cm and one more circle has radius 9 cm respectively. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. So let us assume there are one more circle, radius of circle which has the circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Let us name the circles as C1, C2 and C3. So what is given, children? So you know that the radius of first circle. So let me name that as R1 equal to 19 cm. R2 radius of second circle C2. R2 is equal to 9 cm. Now we have to find the radius of the third circle. So let me name that as R3. So R3 we have to find out. Radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. What is the circumference of the first circle? It is 2 pi r1. What is the circumference of the second circle? It is 2 pi r2. Sum of the circumference 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal to of the two circles. That is the circumference. Sum of the circumference of the two circles is equal to circumference of the third circle. It is 2 pi r3. Now 2 pi you take common outside, r1 plus r2 equal to 2 pi r3. So 2 pi get cancelled, children. R1 plus r2 equal to r3. Now let us substitute the values. 19 plus 9 equal to r3. 19 plus 9 is 28 equal to r3. Therefore, radius of circle equal to 28 centimeter. So radius of this third circle is 28 centimeter. Coming to the second question, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. What is given, children? The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters. So let me draw two circles having radii 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let me name the circles as C1 and C2. R1 radius of first circle C1, it is 8 centimeter. R2 radius of the second circle C2, it is 6 centimeter. It is given. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. So let me draw one more circle as C3. We have to find the radius of the circle C3. Let me name that as radius of the circle C3 as R3. So we have to find out, children, it is R3. What is the area of the first circle? It is pi r1 square. What is the area of the second circle? Pi r2 square. What is the area of the third circle now here? Pi r3 square. Now it is given that find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Sum of the areas of two circles equal to the area of the third circle. Now we have to find the radius of the third circle. So take pi common, children. R1 square plus R2 square equal to pi R3 square. Pi get cancelled. Let us substitute the values. R1 value is 8 square plus R2 value is 6 centimeter. Substitute the value in place of R2 as 6. 6 square equal to R3 square. 8 square is 64. 6 square 36 is equal to R3 square. 64 plus 36, 100 equal to R3 square. R3, let me write here children, R3 value is square root of 100. R3 value is 10 centimeter. So therefore radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. So this R3 value will be 10 centimeter. Coming to the third problem, figure 5.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter. The diameter of the gold region is 21 centimeter. And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of the 5 scoring regions. Now we have to find the areas of each region children. So what is given? What are the 5 regions? Gold, red, blue, black and white. These are the 5 regions. Now we have to find the areas of each region. And what is given? Diameter of the gold region is given. It is 21 centimeter. So radius is half of the diameter. 21 divided by 2, it is 10.5 centimeter. So let me name that radius as R1. Now red region. So what is given children? And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. So the gold region radius is 10.5 centimeter. What is the radius of the red region? It is 10.5 plus 10.5. It is 21 centimeter. So red region radius R2 equal to 10.5 plus 10.5. So R2 equal to 21 centimeter. Now coming to the third region, blue region. So what is the radius of the third region? R3 equal to 21 plus 10.5. So radius of the third region, blue region, it is 31.5 centimeter. Now black region. What is the area of radius of the black region? R4 equal to 31.5 plus 10.5. So R4 equal to 42 centimeter. Next, last region, white region, R5 equal to 42 plus 10.5. R5 equal to 52.5 centimeter. Now let us find the area of each region. First let us find the area of gold region. What is the formula children? It is A equal to pi R1 square units. So A equal to pi value is 22 by 7. R1 value is 10.5 whole square. So A equal to 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 you have to do, and after calculation you will get 242.50 divided by 7. So A value you will get 346.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the gold region. Area of gold region is 346.5 centimeter square you will get. Now let us find the area of red region. How will you find area of red region children? Pi R2 square minus area of gold region. It is pi R1 square. So pi value is 22 by 7 into R2. R2 value is how much? 21 square minus pi R1 square. So what is the value we got children? It is 346.5. After calculation, after simplification, you will get area of red region is 1386 minus 346.5. So you will get 1039.5 centimeter square. This is the area of red region is 1039.5 centimeter square. Now let us find the area of a blue region, that is pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. Pi value is 22 by 7, r3 value is 31.5 whole square minus pi r2 square. Pi r2 square value we got children here 1386 minus 1386. After simplification you will get 3118.5 minus 1386. You will get 1732.5 centimeter square. This is the area of blue region. Now let us find the area of black region. So how will you find the area of black region children? It is pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. So pi value is 22 by 7, r4 radius of the black region it is 42 square minus pi r3 square we already calculated, that is 3118.5. So after simplification you will get 5544 minus 3180.8. So that is equal to 2425.5 centimeter square you will get children. It's clear? Next, coming to the last region, there is a white region. How will you find the area of the white region? That is pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. 22 by 7, r5 value is radius of the last region, white region, it is 52.5 square minus pi r4 square. So value we already calculated, that is 5544. So after simplification you will get 8662.5 minus 5544. You will get 3118.5 centimeter square, and this is the area of last region, white region. Let us discuss fourth and fifth problems. Coming to the fourth problem, the wheel of a car are diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? So what is the diameter of the car wheel children? It is 80 centimeter. Diameter of the car wheel is 80 centimeter. So let us write here what is given. Diameter of the car wheel is 80 centimeter. So radius of the car wheel is 80 by 2. It is 40 centimeter. So you can convert this into meter. So radius is equal to 0.4 meter. Next, what is the question? How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour? After 10 minutes, the wheel of the car it may reach here, isn't it? Now we have to find out first what is the distance traveled by the car after one revolution. So first what is given? What is the speed of the car? It is 66 km per hour. Let us convert that into meter per second. 66, 1 kilometer, it is 1000 meter. 1 hour, it is 3600 seconds. So equal to, you will get after simplification 55 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed of the car. Now we have to find out distance covered in one revolution. The distance covered in one revolution means what we have to find out children? It's the circumference of the wheel we have to find out. It is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi value you substitute as 22 by 7 and radius of the wheel it is 0.4. After simplification, you will get 17.6 divided by 7 meter. Now let us find out distance covered in 10 minutes. Distance covered in after 10 minutes. Covered in 10 minutes equal to distance covered in one revolution, it is 17.6 divided by 7 meter. After 10 minutes, so it is, you know that speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Distance covered in 10 minutes, d equal to speed of the car, it is 55 by 3 into time. Time is 10 minute. So 10 minute will let us convert into second. So 1 minute means 60 seconds. After simplification, you will get 11,000 meter. Now we have to find out number of revolutions car has complete to cover 11,000 meter. After 10 minutes, so what is the distance travelled by the car? It is 11,000 meter. Therefore, now let us write number of revolutions. Number of revolutions car has complete to cover. What is the distance, children? It is 11,000 meter is 1 meter, 1 revolution. What is distance covered by the car? It is 17.6 meter. Now, if it is 11,000 meter, what is the number of revolution? So, how will you find out, children? So, 11,000 divided by 17.6 divided by 7. 17.6 divided by 7. After simplification, you will get 4,375 revolutions. Therefore, number of revolutions car has to complete to cover 11,000 meter. It is 4,375 revolutions. Coming to the fifth problem, tick the correct answer in the following and justify your choice. If the perimeter and area of the circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is, what is given, children? If the perimeter and the area of the circle are equal, so here what is the perimeter of the circle? It is 2 pi r units. And what is the area of the circle? It is pi r square units. Numerically they are equal. Now we have to find the radius of the circle. Now here pi get cancelled. 2r equal to r square. So here 2, let it be left hand side only, r square, and r you transpose to right hand side divided by r. 2 equal to r square, you can write it as r into r divided by r. So r get cancelled. So 2 equal to r. So therefore radius is equal to 2 units. So where is the option, children? So option A is a correct answer. With this we have completed first exercise problems of chapter areas related to circles. In my next video, let us start to solve second exercise problems. If you like our video, please press like button and please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.